Greg Hall here at Frontier Motors in Pensacola, Florida. Just wanted to show you some of the trucks that we have here. We've got more trucks on our lot than most dealers have total car inventory. Let's take a little walk down one aisle here for you. You can see we have Fords, Mitsubishis, Toyotas, Dodge, Chevrolet, full-size, mid-size, small trucks, anything you want right here at Frontier Motors. I'll take a little cut through here, show you a little bit more of what we got. We'll step up on one of the bumpers of these trucks here, give you kind of like a bird's eye view. Frontier Motors, we have over 300 cars, trucks, and SUVs. Come check us out at Frontier Motors here in Pensacola, Florida. That's frontiermotorsinc.com or PensacolaUsedCars.com.